Hey guys, what's going on? It's Alan here and welcome to the channel. Today we are looking over a quick scalping strategy. It's a very good, very profitable scalping strategy. I had a lot of success with it and I wanted to share it with you guys. I don't know if you heard about it before. I want to let you know that this is not something that I made up. All of the strategies or most of the strategies is something that I pick up on internet and I just want to share them with you guys. I just want to make some videos about it, explaining how they actually work and how you can use them for yourself. So first off, guys, always backtest. Okay, keep backtesting the strategies, no matter who tells them to you, no matter what YouTuber you watch, no matter what friend recommends it. Backtest it. Okay, what we need for this strategy is moving average, not exponential, but just normal moving average, two of them actually. So you're gonna hit it 2 times and oh sorry, I just deleted one, and we're gonna put this one let's say red, and we're gonna do it we're gonna put the length to 5. Okay, so we're gonna need 5 and 21 moving average. We're gonna leave the color here and we're gonna put this to 21. Those are you're basically going to trade based on the moving averages, but you're going to need to define one thing before you do that. Basically, the idea here is that we trade on spots like this when the two moving averages cross. Okay, on this pair we are buying and not selling. We want to know why. That's the beauty of this strategy. We're gonna go to 4-hour chart and we're gonna identify the trend that the market is in. Now, if you have a pair that's raging through some channel or something that's not really in a trend, I wouldn't trade that. Okay, only scalp pairs that are in a trend. And this one, as you can see, is in an uptrend. And now we go down to the 5-minute chart and we wait. So like we are saying, we are buying the crosses, not selling. So you wouldn't enter the market here, okay? Because we are not selling, although that would have been a good scalp, but still it's against our rules. You could have entered it here. Yeah, that would be a nice cross. We're not selling here. We're waiting for it to cross in the upside. There was a nice indicator. You could have bought here, but you would have been stepped out. And let's just do an example. Let's say you bought over there. I use this tactic with something like with 1.5 risk reward ratio or something like that. You can also trail your stop loss, guys. This is good. I just made one trade and I trailed my stop loss down to break even, got stop out. It's all good. You can do that as well. So I would set the stop loss basing on these 2 candles, and as you can see, we would get stopped out right there. So that would be a loss of about 4 pips. But then again, here we have a crossing. Okay, so we would enter the market again somewhere around this point, let's say. Okay, let's be a bit more realistic. And I would set down the risk reward to the end of this candle, which would be 6.4 pips. And I would go for 1.5 risk reward ratio. Or again, you can trail your stop loss up from there. And this would be, as you can see, that would be a win of around around, how much do we have now? Of around 10 pips. Yeah, let me bring it up here. Yeah, so this one, AUD USD, if we go to 4 hours, this one is in a downtrend. Okay, AUD USD, we are on a downtrend, and if we go back to 5 minutes, we are now looking to sell. Let's move here a bit. We're waiting for the crossing. This is not crossing. This is not crossing. We haven't had any crossings here. Okay, this one is a cross. We would got stepped out here. Look at this. Look at this one. Let's say you would have made your stop loss right over there for about 5 pips, and you trail down your stop loss. Okay, and you trail down your stop loss. Even if you trailed it down to here, like still, you would have made good 14 pips, 13 pips on this one, on a scalp like this. But you need to remember something, guys. Or this one right here, for example, also a nice catch. Here we are scalping, okay? We are catching small and quick pips. We are trading with big lot sizes and with tight stop losses, okay? This is the way you're gonna make money with this method, scalping. Anyways, guys, if you have any questions, post them down below. I will make sure to answer them. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.